Welcome again, grade 9 learners, to Cookery 9, and our goal for today is for you to first identify the common ingredients used in salad dressing, identify the types of salad dressing, and the last one is to prepare variety of dressing. So I'll be discussing first the common ingredients used in salad dressings. So the first ingredient is oil. The oil used in salad dressing can be chosen from a great variety such as corn oil. It has a light golden color and very little taste as of cornmeal type flavor. It is widely used in dressings. Olive oil has a very distinctive fruity flavor and aroma and somewhat genuine in color. The second one is vinegar. It is also available in different varieties. Cider vinegar is made from apples. It is brown in color and has slightly sweet taste. White or distilled vinegar is purified and has a neutral flavor. Wine vinegar may be red or white with the wine flavor. Another thing is the white wine vinegar is most commonly used rather than the red wine because red wine gives a muddy color to the dressing. There is also specialty vinegar that are used for their distinctive flavors. They are the malt vinegar, sherry vinegar, and the raspberry vinegar, which are rarely available in the commercial kitchen. Next one is lemon juice. A fresh lemon juice may be used in place or in addition to vinegar in some preparation. Another ingredient is egg yolk. It is an essential ingredient in mayonnaise and other emulsifier dressings. For safety, pasteurized eggs should be used. Seasoning and flavorings. So, fresh herbs are preferable than the dried herbs. Other flavorings include mustard, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and various kinds of cheeses. So now, let us discuss the types of dressings. The first one is the oil and vinegar dressings. Basic vinaigrette is a simple mixture of oil, vinegar, and seasonings, which is an example of temporary emulsions. The ratio of oil to vinegar is 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. However, it can be changed to taste. Less oil makes the dressing more tart, while more oil makes it taste milder and oilier. Is the emulsified dressings. Mayonnaise is an emulsified dressing. It is more often served as the base for a wide variety of other dressings. Mayonnaise-based dressings are generally thick and creamy. It is a cold sauce that is an emulsion of oil and vinegar stabilized with egg yolk, giving it a thick, solid, and spreadable consistency. The last type is the cooked dressings. It is usually made of sour food like vinegar and lemon juice. It has a sharp and acidic flavor, while mayonnaise is richer and milder. Cooked dressings is made with little or no oil or with a starch thickener. At this moment, I'll be sharing 4 examples of salad dressing recipes. The first one is Thousand Island dressing. The ingredients are 2 cups mayonnaise, 1 piece red bell pepper, 200 grams sweet pickle relish, 1 piece boiled egg, 2 cups ketchup, 1/2 piece onion, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. All you need to do is to combine all the ingredients in a mixing bowl and stir it until salt dissolves. The second recipe is French dressing. The ingredients are 1 1/2 cups vegetable oil, 1 cup ketchup, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of vinegar, 1 small onion, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And to make French dressing, all you need to do is to combine all the ingredients in a mixing bowl, stir it until salt and pepper are dissolved. The third recipe I'll be sharing with you is the vinaigrette dressing. The ingredients are 1/4 cup white vinegar, 1 small clove of garlic, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and freshly ground black pepper, 3/4 cups olive oil or vegetable oil. And to do this, in a bowl, whisk together the vinegar, garlic, teaspoon of salt, and a few grains of pepper. Second is to keep the bowl steady while whisking the ingredients. Third is to slowly drizzle in the oil while whisking vigorously until the mixture is combined and well blended. Last is to use right away this salad dressing or refrigerate in a sealed container for up to 3 days. And the last recipe I'll be sharing with you is the sour cream dressing. The ingredients are 3/4 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 garlic clove, 2 teaspoons finely grated lemon zest, 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, or 1 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. And to do this, put the sour cream in a mixing bowl, mix the garlic, spring onion, salt, and pepper, then whip. Add the lemon juice. So those recipes are very easy to follow. All you need to do is be reminded that when preparing foods, especially salads and dressings, make sure to do the following. First, wear personal protective equipment like apron, plastic disposable hand gloves, hairnet, mask, and closed shoes. Next, wash your hands regularly or before and after preparing foods. Another is to clean, maintain, and store the tools, utensils, and equipment properly. And the last one, always clean and sanitize the working area. Grade 9 learners, here is the rubric I'll be using with your performance task. So it has 4 dimensions, and the first one is use of tools, equipment, and materials. You will be given 3 points if you select, prepares, and uses appropriate materials, tools, equipment all the time. You will be given 2 points if you select, prepares, and uses appropriate materials and tools, equipment sometimes. And 1 point for those students who never select, prepares, or uses appropriate materials, tools, and equipment. The second dimension is the application of procedures. You will be given 3 points if you follow systematic application of procedures all the time without supervision. 2 points for following the systematic application of procedures all the time with constant supervision, and 1 point for those students follows systematic application of procedures and highly dependent on supervision. Next dimension is the safety work habits. 3 points for those students who are self-motivated and observes all safety precautions at all the times. 2 points for self-motivated and sometimes observes safety precautions, and 1 point for those students who needs to be motivated and observe safety precautions occasionally. And the last dimension is speed or time. If you work or finish ahead of time, you will be given 3 points. 2 points for those students who finish their work close to the deadline, and 1 point for those students who has no concept about time. So if you get 19 to 20 points, your work is outstanding. And for those students who will be getting 14 to 18 points, your work is very satisfactory. So if you get 9 to 13 points, it means that your performance task is satisfactory. And the last one, if you get 4 to 8 points, your performance task needs improvement. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.